Hi, I'm Darin Schmitz, part of the Dell Storage engineering team, and I'm here to talk about how the Dell Storage Center does compression and deduplication. So first, let's take a look at the typical SAN environment. We start with drawing some hosts, and these are doing I/O back and forth to the array. The storage center stack, in turn, processes the I/O in what we have termed the page pool. Now the page pool stores 2 megabyte chunks of data. The hosts make writes and reads from the page pool. Now, when compression and deduplication is enabled on a particular volume, when data progression is triggered, this data is fed to the data progression engine. From here, it makes a decision based upon the storage policy whether or not the data gets sent to the data reduction portion, or that data is sent back to the page pool to its new RAID level or new tier per the storage policy. Now, if these pages being fed to data progression are eligible for data reduction, the first thing the engine does is it takes the 2 meg page and it chops it up into 4K slices for a total of 512 slices. From there, it takes these slices and first dedupes them, compresses them, and from there, the magic of a subsystem called the partial page manager does the rest. From there, the partial page manager takes these compressed and deduped slices and puts them back into normal 2 meg pages. Its job is to organize and fit them all nicely into the pages before it takes them and puts them back into the page pool. Once these pages are safely stored back in the page pool, the original pages are freed to clear more landing space for the new incoming writes. At any time, if the hosts make a read request for the pages that are deduped or compressed, the partial page manager assembles the pieces, inflates them, and feeds it back up as a read to the hosts.